Jason, Logan, Christian. You guys are going to need your notebook. So if you don't have it next to you, go get it. Hold on, I got to turn the lens. There we go. Kenton, Bryce, Elena, Sean. All righty. Oh, let me admit Mrs. Val. You gotta include Mrs. Val in this. All right. Everybody got their notebook? Okay, find a blank page in your notebook. Actually, you're gonna need 2 pages. Let me grab mine. Oh, let's admit Owen. Okay, Owen's on. And Tanner is on. So everybody who was here yesterday is online today, which is awesome. I love that. Great job. Okay, so let's see if I can show you. So here what we're going to be doing today is, let me go ahead and show you my screen really quick. Okay, I'm going to actually just help you guys get through this together, and then we'll keep working on it tomorrow. So what you're going to be working on today is in your folder under January 4th through the 8th, okay? And you're going to be working on something called the Layers of the Atmosphere booklet, okay? So let me read for you the directions and then we'll put this together. It says, in the link below, you will find facts about each of the different layers of the atmosphere. Your assignment is to figure out which fact belongs to which layer of the atmosphere. You will then place these facts in your layers of the atmosphere booklet along with colored pictures which illustrate what you can find in that layer. Use the Prentice Hall Layers of the Atmosphere book to help you with this task. So this link right here, I'm going to open up for you guys. Slowly but surely. Okay. Here there are all these different facts. And what we need to do is we need to figure out which fact goes under which layer of the atmosphere. So first things first is we need to figure out what the layers of the atmosphere are. So that's what your notebook is for. So let me stop sharing. Okay, first things first, notebook. Okay, you're gonna want to make sure you have a blank, 1 page, and the next page is blank. Okay, so that's the big thing. All right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to divide your notebook. Give me a second. One, two, three, four, five, six. You're going to divide your notebook into 6 sections. Let me show you what that means, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, hold on. I messed up. This design already messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divide your notebook into 6 sections. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Try to make them as equal apart from each other. So like maybe if you do 5 lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, and then 5 lines. So go ahead and do that.
Don't you want to see your paper from yesterday?
Yeah, I finished.
So I'm going to switch my screen up a little bit just so that it's a lot easier because whatever I show you here is backwards. So I want to make sure you guys see it the correct way. So let me go out of this. And I'm going to go to a blank screen here. Two. One, two, three, four, five. I need one more, 6. So basically my screen looks like your notebook. Okay. So what we're going to do is in the bottom section, we're going to go backwards. We're going to go from the bottom up, okay? So in this bottom section, this one's going to be what we call the lowest layer of the atmosphere, okay? So this one is going to be, and I'm going to type this out for you, that way you guys can all see it. This is called the troposphere. So you're going to want to put this in the middle of your lowest section.
Is it like the third box or what?
Here, I'll show you. Hang on. Nope, it's the very bottom box. So I'll go back to mine. So it's going to be this bottom one right here.
Okay.
So that's going to be troposphere. See how I have, these are all going to be labeled?
Yeah.
Troposphere is going to go on the very bottom because that's the layer is on the very bottom of our atmosphere. Eventually, all of yours are going to be filled up like mine are, okay? But I'm going to do it on my screen so you know how to spell them because obviously you guys are seeing this backwards, aren't you? Oh, no, is it right side out?
No.
Oh, okay, well then I'll just hold it like this. So literally copy my screen.
Low nose.
Miss Dazan, I can't even
Yes.
see your screen. Like
What?
it just says, my whole screen is just black and it says Jason Carr in the middle.
It's because it's the last person that talks.
You want to change your, at the very bottom, you don't want it to be in, you want to change your view. Sorry, in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, there's the icon that says view. Change the way it's set up.
You can also double tap your screen and it might fix it.
Plus, I have to be the one that's talking majority of the time. So I'll just kind of start singing. No, I won't start singing. That would be a bad thing. Owen, why are you holding up your thing?
Because I thought you wanted us to cut up those yesterday and then.
No, I want you to do this.
Hmm.
I know it takes some of you a little longer to write these words out. Mia, are you okay? Can you see them?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Da dee 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 da. If you're waiting, you're gonna want to find eventually a pair of scissors.
Okay.
Tanner, are you done writing? Just nod your head yes or no. Okay, good job. All right, so now I want you to do is I want you to cut on each of these lines so that you separate them. Okay? So I'm gonna go get a pair of scissors.
Are we cutting the
And cut
whole
mine.
line? Mrs. On.
Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I have pretty things that look like this. Okay, so this, oh, some people are still cutting. I'll wait. Don't tear these out. You're just cutting them, okay? That way it stays in your notebook. All right, the next part is where you're gonna go and do things on your own, okay? And you're gonna use Google to do this. Okay, I'm breaking up this activity in 2 days. So what you're gonna do is you're going to Google a picture that relates to this word, each of these words, okay? So I'm gonna give you the first one, which is troposphere. The troposphere has to do with our weather. So what I'm gonna do is on the back here, this backside right here, I'm gonna draw some weather. So I might draw a sun, I might draw a cloud, I might draw rain. And this part does not have to be in color. Okay, doesn't have to be artistic, but I drew a sun, I drew a raindrop, I do clouds, because that all has to do with the troposphere. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna Google these words. So stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. You're gonna Google those words and you're gonna find a picture that's related to those words. Okay, and you're gonna put them on the back of this tab. I want them on the back. Okay, think you guys can handle that? Doesn't have to be in color. I don't want it in color yet. Any questions about what you're doing? Remember your vocab. You guys had to work on that yesterday. Make sure your vocab is finished by today. That way you don't fall behind. And your job today is to find pictures for each of these. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. I think you guys can handle that. That should take you no more than 10 minutes to do. Guys have any questions? Message me if you have any questions or if you're stuck on trying to find a picture, not sure what to do, not sure what to draw. Okay, I will help you. Okay. All right, with that being said, you guys are dismissed from my class. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.